What is the sweetest secret of succeeding as a home baker? It is not some complicated formula or highly technical skill. The secret is actually quite simple. Believe and become successful. So let us understand the power of your mindset. Your mindset, the thoughts, and the beliefs you hold, they shape your entire reality as a home baker. If you think negative thoughts like I'm not good enough or no one will buy my baked goods, then you will struggle. But if you fill your mind with positive thoughts and expectations of success, you will be amazed at what you can accomplish. Let me give you an example here. Visualize success daily by imagining all the details of running a thriving home bakery. The fragrance in your kitchen, the joy on your customers' faces as they taste your creations, the income deposited into your bank account. What you vividly imagine, you can make it real. The magic ingredient, your passion. One key element that separates most successful home bakers from the rest is their burning passion and love for what they do. So, when you pour your heart into every cake, cookie, or pastry, people can taste that energy and your artistry as well. Because baking isn't just a job, it is an expression of who you are. Let me give you an example over here. Think of the most memorable baked good that you have ever tasted. What made it so special? It was likely made with care and passion by someone who found joy in their craft. Taking the first step. Nothing will change for you until you take the first step towards your baking dreams. You have a choice to stay stuck where you are or commit to consistent efforts that lead to mastery. Let me give you an example here. Baking skills, like any skill, is developed through practice. So each time you bake, you are advancing. So don't wait to be ready. Just start where you are. Continuous learning and mentorship. The most successful people, whether home bakers or business tycoons, they never stop learning and investing in themselves. Having a strong mentor who has walked the path before you is invaluable for guidance. Even world renowned pastry chefs continue training and seeking out new techniques. They view learning as a lifelong journey, not a one time activity. Serving, serving with your baking. At its core, being a home baker is about using your talents to serve others and bring happiness through your creations. Every baked good is an opportunity to spark joy. Imagine a smile of beautifully decorated cake that can bring on a child's face on their birthday. Imagine a smile, Imagine the smile a beautifully decorated cake can bring to a child's face on their birthday. Your baking has the power to turn ordinary moments into extraordinary celebrations. The bakery of your mind. Just like a bakery, your mind is constantly at work, kneading the thoughts and mixing the beliefs that shape their entire batter of your life experience. Just like a bakery, your mind is constantly at work, kneading thoughts and mixing beliefs that shape the entire batter of your life experience. So, the ingredients you choose to put into your mindset determine whether you will bake up stale, flavorless cakes of self doubt or rise to new heights with the sweet bread of success. Just as poor quality baking ingredients taint the final product, negative self talk and limiting beliefs contaminate your potential as a home baker. So if you are thinking I'm not skilled enough or my baked goods aren't good enough to sell, you are setting yourself up for a tough uphill battle. However, when you take control of the bakery of your mind, magic can happen. By intentionally choosing empowering thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, you create an unstoppable winning recipe. Imagine two home bakers, both starting new businesses. Baker A constantly worries, what if no one buys from me? While Baker B has internal dialogue like, my baked goods will delight people. I can't wait to share with them my baked goods. Who is more likely put in their best effort and attract customers? Feeding your baking fire. To nurture your passion for home baking, you must constantly stoke the fires of inspiration and motivation. This means surrounding yourself with images, people, books, courses, anything that reignites your enthusiasm and love for the craft. Discovering the amazing work of another homemaker in a community could spark new creative energy. Or reading a homemaker success story could motivate you through a rough patch. That is the reason having a mentor who has walked the home baking path can provide invaluable guidance and acceleration. They can share wisdom, feedback, and insights to help you bypass common mistakes. No successful person gets there alone, and hence surround yourself with growth minded people. Having a mentor by your side is equal to tasting success faster in your baking journey. However, the ultimate driving force behind your home baking journey must come from within. However, the ultimate driving force behind your home baking journey must come from within. As you cultivate unstoppable self motivation and a solid why that pulls you forward, you will be unstoppable. So, a home baker may start by wanting to generate an extra income, but their deeper why could be creating beautiful, delicious baked goods that bring people together and give them a taste of love and home. The home baking habits. Like any skill, consistent habits are required to truly master the art of home baking. From planning your kitchen workspace to managing your finances, successful home bakers must develop supremely productive routines. So rather than just baking occasionally, put baking on your weekly schedule and stick to it like an appointment. Remember, regular practice is essential. The small, seemingly insignificant baking habit you cultivate today can compile into extraordinary results over time, just as each single ingredient contributes to the final masterpiece. Properly measuring ingredients, learning advanced decorations, learning advanced marketing strategies, these details separate professional level home bakers from the beginner ones. Ultimately, you alone shape your habits and therefore your outcomes as a home baker. By taking full responsibility for your baking journey and continually investing in your own growth, you determine your sweet destiny. The sweetest secret is that you already possess the power to craft an abundant, fulfilling life as a home baker. And it starts with your mindset and passion. So commit to continuous learning, take inspired actions daily, and serve others through your baking. You have the ingredients for sweet success. This is Dipti Harshad Vartak, and thank you.